Hi, my name is Jakob Hirze, and today I'm going to introduce you the new RS5 Avant. I'm exterior designer and Audi design, so let's start with that exterior. And I think the striking element comes through the package itself on first glance. You see the width of the car has increased by 80 millimeters, so that's 40 millimeters per side. You can absolutely see it from every angle of the car. And not only that, the wheels have also grown bigger, so they grow inside the body of the car, making the car much more powerful, much more stance looking. And if you look at the front first, the main element of the front is that grille. And you can tell the car needs a lot of cooling air. It has a bigger cooling package, so that makes it also move forward. So the whole car has a more snouty appearance. And we also have a new air intake mesh on the RS5. So this will also come to other models later on, but you can tell the grille itself has a different proportion, a different size, making this car really dominant on the street. So these headlights are specifically RS5. They have this dark insert, which looks really mean and has a much better contrast look to the body. Feels just very special, and it's a highlight of this car. Then we have the side air intakes, because as I said, we do need a lot of cooling air. So here is another air duct for another radiator, together with these air guiding elements. They are the Audi Sport trim pieces coming in carbon fiber. Really add to the nice contrasting elements of this front end. As I said, you can see how this front end in general looks absolutely different from the standard A5 and S5 models. So that much about the front. Let's move on to the side of the car. Here you can see the increase in width, 40 millimeters per side, plus the bigger tires, the bigger wheels, which have up to 21 inch, make for a much better volume distribution. So you have the car really powerful stance. And an element where you see how wide this car is compared to the standard car is actually these cutouts here, these kind of racing-like or motorsports-like elements where you see the standard headlights. They are just that much more inside. We have to find a design way to make this wider body fit in with these lights. And then if you continue down the side, we have specific fenders, specific rocker. This rocker is actually a beautiful element. It catches a lot of light, brings the car closer to the ground visually also. Plus these carbon inlays, which are, in this case, glossy carbon, also fit really beautiful, also with this exterior color and progressive red. And then coming to the rear, also here, 40 millimeters of gain. The standard A5, S5 already has quite wide fenders, but here they are stretched really to the maximum. And we don't only redesign or change this rear fender, we also change the door to have everything blending in seamlessly and fit in beautifully within the design. The sloping roofline of the Avant here in this glossy black fit really nice, again with the red color. And coming to the rear, you see these boldly standing wheels. By the way, another highlight is the rear wheel has even bigger width than the front wheel. That's the first time for an Audi RS5 and RS4, even the predecessor generations didn't have this element. It's a really technically driven but beautiful element to make the car stand better. And then also here in the rear, you can see fenders pulled out even further. The rear light having this chamfer again, showing how much wider the car actually got. You have to stand in a 3/4 view to really appreciate this nice wide approach. And then as we come closer to the rear lights, these are coming with a specific RS signature, also absolutely beautifully blending in. But the main visual element on the rear is, of course, the diffuser with its signature exhaust pipes. They sit really close to each other. And this is also technically driven, but also it's an element to make this design stand out absolutely beautiful, really showing where the power of the car goes is in the center of the car, and the wheels add to that center section. So in the rear view, really wide looking car thanks to its fenders. We have this extremely pointed diffuser with its two large tailpipes, but also another highlight is the rear spoiler, where in this car we also implement the spoiler light. So you have, even when braking, you see clearly that's an RS5. That's the most sporty top of the range model. And there's these elements taking it apart or telling it apart from the standard car. Also a really important element is the center reflector element, which is also motorsport derived, or we know that element from motorsport, so it's a landmark element for our RS cars in the future. And then we have aerodynamic fins going through the diffuser. And while all this design element, or all these design elements make the car really stand out. It still has all this practicality with possibility of having a trailer hitch mounted. So adding practicality plus performance plus emotion, really highlight in the new RS5.
My name is Sebastian from the Audi Sport product marketing team, and this is the new Audi RS5. So let's have a look at the engine. So in the new Audi RS5, we will have a V6 B-turbo engine, and this engine is completely revised. So we have 44 kilowatt more power output than in today's RS4. And what's new? We will get support by an electric motor and a 400-volt battery that brings 22 kilowatt-hour net capacity. And this leads to 470 kilowatt power output and 825 Newton meters of torque. That is quite impressive. The new Audi RS5 sprints from 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. And it covers a distance in a time of 2.6 seconds of 22.6 meters. That is an improvement of 50% in comparison to today's RS4. Quite impressive. Okay, let's have a look into the interior of the new RS5. Welcome. The new RS5 comes with upgraded standard equipment, and we are listening to our customers. So here you see that we are back to the old well-known RS badges everywhere. Illumination here on the floor when opening the door, here in the entry slims, and then of course the floor mats. In every interior we have RS badges on the floor mats. And if we come to the seat, you see nice illuminated RS logos with a nice frame in vanadium optic, and then we have the so-called crust. This is the colored leather on the back side that shines through to have this red nice element in the interior. Everything with RS exclusive. Every new RS5 comes with a passenger display for perfect entertainment for the passenger and full control here. And then we have the centralized information display where we have a lot of RS exclusive features. For example, the Audi Drive Select with the different RS modes that you can see here, individual, RS Sport, or torque rear. And then, of course, all the relevant information you need to know about the car. You can go through it, everything you need in one place. And then something new that we have, it is the Audi Driving Experience app. If you go here, then you have different options for tracking your activities on the racetrack or using the torque rear mode. It's basically covering the distance, the angle, and the time of the torque rear mode that you are using. Perfect. And then coming over to the steering wheel. So we have a RS exclusive steering wheel here in every interior with a 12 o'clock mark. And of course we have our RS satellites. Here the RS satellite to really toggle through the RS modes. And then on the left hand side we have the boost button that you can use while overtaking on the highway. And then of course RS badges everywhere, a really nice and premium look and feel. So let's check the engine.
So for 5 generations, the Audi RS2, RS4, RS5s, they were always offering functionality together with all this performance and all this emotionality. So let's see with this new generation RS5 how all these suitcases fit into the trunk of this new RS5 Avant. So, as you can see, this should be plenty of luggage for your weekend trip. So enjoy the ride.